Hey my YouTube fam, let's make healthy high protein blueberry breakfast parfaits. These breakfast parfaits have 388 calories per serving with 45 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs and just 12 grams of fat. This is such a healthy high protein antioxidant rich breakfast. To begin the recipe, take fresh blueberries in a skillet along with some honey. You can also use zero sugar maple syrup here and some lemon juice. Simply cook everything over medium low heat until the berries gets juicy and bursty. You should use a spatula to slightly mash the berries so that they get juicy, and once your blueberry pie filling is ready, remove it from the skillet. Now for the second layer, take a fresh skillet and to this add rolled oats and some pumpkin seeds. Cook this over medium-low heat until they get toasty for just 2 to 3 minutes. And for the third layer, take some Greek yogurt in a bowl and to this add just 1 scoop of protein powder. Whisk it until it all gets smooth and combined through. Now to layer the parfaits, take 4 large glasses. To this add the first layer of your yogurt and protein powder mixture. Next add the oats and pumpkin seeds mixture to all the glasses. And third of all, add your blueberry pie filling to all the glasses. Now repeat until you reach the rim of the glass. First will be again the yogurt layer, next will be the oats mixture. And finally top with some fresh blueberries. Top with a sprig of mint leaf and your healthy breakfast parfait is ready. I love this because this is such a healthy breakfast recipe and also qualifies to be a great dessert as well. Do give it a try and let me know if you loved it.
If you enjoyed the recipe, if you have any questions, put it in the comment box below so that I can answer them for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.